I've been using the Ecobee Smart Thermostat for about 2 weeks now, and I'm going to show you how I installed it. The Smart Thermostat does come with a sensor that you can place within a room in your home, and it'll give you the particular temperature in that room. This thermostat is also Siri capable, and there's a speaker on the back. Here are the contents of the box. Notice the green arrow. If you need to use this part, that means you don't have a C wire, and it's suggested that you just have a professional take a look at it. That's the thermostat we're going to be changing out today, and I turned off the breaker. And took off the panel. And there you have the wiring from the previous thermostat. There you have your labels, and I start to label the wires as I pull them out so that I know where to place them. And there all the wires are labeled. And next I'm just going to continue to take the plate off the wall. And when I took the plate off, it looks like there had been a few thermostats there, so disregard those studs that are already in the wall. They will give you 2 anchors and 2 screws, and you'll be able to place those as you measure the plate. And the plate is on the wall there. And next you place the piece where the wires go. At that point you screw it in and commence to putting the wires in place. And I will tell you, they are kind of tricky. All the wires are in place. And this is based on when I took the previous thermostat off. Notice the conventional and heat pump areas there. It's really important that you find out if you have a heat pump on your air conditioning. There are a few ways to find out. I learned the hard way because when I placed the thermostat, it was blowing warm air. So this is one way to figure out if you have a heat pump or not. You'll turn your heat on, and you'll give it a second to run a cycle. I put it up to 80, and then I went outside to check if the AC, the fan, was running and that it kicked on. And it did. So I have a heat pump, and I had to change the wiring. On the right is the correct wiring, and on the left is the incorrect wiring if you have a heat pump. And this is very common, that these wires have to be switched around. Notice that the letter compartments are compressed. That means you have a good connection. Now it's time to place the thermostat. It clicks right in place without a hitch, and there you have your seamless thermostat. You can now go ahead and turn back on your breaker and take off the film if you'd like, and get started setting up your thermostat.